5 homers as he hits this one hard to the shortstop. That's S.P. Chin whipping it across and retires Harry Ford. So a quick light shift, playing Williamson, the right-handed hitter, to pull on the infield. And he'll chop it to Chin on a couple of hops. He'll throw off balance in time, and the Travs get a 1-out walk and nothing across as well. 1 scoreless inning in the books here. The minor league free agent. They'll swing and lift this one toward left field. Rodriguez going back. It's over his head. He reaches up and makes the catch. A step in front of the warning track, turning and getting it back in quickly as Patino couldn't tag and advance to third, and there's 2 away. That area. Christian Robinson will bat with a runner at second base. Robinson started game 1. Odd Poodles through 4, retiring 7 in a row. He'll face the bottom 3 Amarillo hitters here in the 5th inning: Chin, Robinson, and Valdez. That was just his 7th pitch out of the strike zone through 4 innings. 43 pitches, 36 for strikes as he misses high to Chin. He's missed with the first 2 as he misses with as they play Chin to pull. He's a left-handed hitter, but takes ball 3 high and out. Rio. Now he delivers that pitch low. A 4-pitch walk. Has issued the first walk today by Castano. So Chin's aboard, draws just his 4th walk this season. Trav, second baseman Cole Young, hits it just underneath his glove. He deflected it. Chin charges, throws off balance, but Young's able to beat it out with an infield hit. It went right back up the middle, partially deflected by Corcoran. Chin charged, got to it, through on the run, but Young's able to beat it out for an infield single. So the Travs pick up their 2nd base hit. And for Young, that's hitting walks, but 31 strikeouts. His opponents are hitting 159 against him. So he goes breaking ball. The next pitch on the way. It's a little flare towards shallow center field. But the Traveler shortstop McCullough ranges back to make the catch. So 2 quick outs on a couple of fly balls for Cavello here today. S.P. Chin swings to the fastball for strike 1. He stands. The 0-1. Fouled into the mid. They're off the mid of Ford for strike 2. By Taylor, the pitch is well low and away. Ball 1. Right-hander deals. A little flip off the net to the on-deck. Taylor's ahead 1-2. He just dropped that one a little low. That 2-2 pitch to S.P. Chin is popped up. It's fouled. It's headed back. The set by Taylor. Here comes the pitch. Another pitch fouled straight back. Here's another 2-2. He swings and he misses. Strike 3. Troy Taylor strikes out S.P. Chin, and the Travelers shut out Amarillo.